That's right. Fire crews called out at about 5 o'clock this morning. 3 people were inside of this home, one of them a 5-year-old child. Now you can see where those people escaped just out the window on the 2nd story. They were inside asleep. Fire detectors went off. Fire crews say that's what awoke the family. They grabbed their small child and they ran out onto the roof. Now they were rescued by fire crews with a ladder. 1 dog and 6 kittens also rescued. We were told no one was transported to the hospital, but fire crews want to emphasize that fire detectors likely saved lives here. Those smoke detectors were absolutely critical. The number to call, 816-513-4611. KCMO will come out and install a smoke detector for you for free.